Hello and welcome back to TCG Dreamland. Alright, we've got one of these. Like and subscribe if you like to see me blow all my money, because that's probably what this video is going to be. Alright, let's see what we got. It is 2022, 2 weeks before Double Masters 2022 comes out. Want to kind of open this in a way that I can preserve the box, make it look cool on a shelf or something. All right, so let's get into this. Toss that down there. All right. Let's see what we can get. Conclave Naturalist. They don't look all that natural. Where's the armpit hair? All right. Flare Husk. Silumgar. Scavenger. Urza's Mine. Okay, Iron League Steed. Now onto the uncommons. Welding Jar. That's cool looking. All right. Treasure Mage. Fatal Push. Fencing Ace. Trash for Treasure, Oubliette, Cogwork Assembler, that's pretty cool. Still uncommons, Gore Clan Rampager, First Rare, what do we have? Bosch Iron Golem, alright, it's actually not bad. Got another rare, Heartbeat of Spring, alright, this should be the borderless. It's a rare. Brainstorm. All right, last good card. It's a mythic. It's a mythic. All right, this could be extremely good. I guess you already know what it is. If you look up number 340, Force of Will. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We actually got it. We got a Force of Will. Borderless foil. Oh my God. Okay, I need to look that up right now. Oh my God. Force of Will. Borderless. Force of Will Borderless. $292. Oh my goodness. That is probably my most expensive modern card. I think the only more expensive card I have in my possession would be like my base set Charizards from when I was like, you know, a little kid. This is probably my most expensive besides like my card, aside from my cards that are like 20 years old. This is definitely, I can't believe we actually pulled it. That is amazing. Okay. I am so happy. We actually got a Force of Will. We pulled it ourselves. I would never have gotten this card if I hadn't pulled it. You saw it here. It is amazing. You can see the reflection of myself in the top loader. Anyways, this is a face reveal. That's how happy I am. Force of Will. Wow. Just for funsies, let's actually look up the others. They were all rares, weren't they? Brainstorm, I don't think is good. But the Bosch, I'm not familiar with, which probably means it's also not good. But let's look it up. Got Bosch, Iron Golem. Bosch Iron Golem. Yeah, it's like 10 cents. Oof. Okay, let's look at Brainstorm real quick. It is a borderless. I mean, borderless can't be worthless, can it? What's it? Brainstorm. It is pretty bad, though. All right, yeah, that $6. Yeah, so that Force of Will was the only good card, but literally second best card in the set, right behind the Mana Crypt. Even if we had gotten a Mana Crypt, it's only like $20 more than this card. Wow. Okay, I am so freaking happy. This is almost the cost of two of those VIP packs. I've been buying them up for $130 off the open market. I've been getting them for real cheap. Just buying tons of them. I bought like 8 of them for my sealed collection. Decided to open like 4 of them. I think this was the 4th one I've opened. Wow, fantastic. This, absolutely an amazing preview for what is to come. Like I said at the beginning, make sure to like and subscribe because I am opening Double Masters 2022, a whole bunch of it. If we can get pulls this good, I'm probably going to open like anywhere from 8 to 11 collector booster boxes because I'm absolutely insane. As long as we can keep pulling value out of the boxes, I'll probably keep opening boxes up to like 11. I'll probably stop at 11. But I might do as few as 3 and as many as 11. So like, subscribe so you know when I start opening Double Masters 2022. I mean, a foil Force of Will deserves a like, right? I mean, you can put a like on this video for Force of Will, can't you? All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.